Hey everyone! If you're someone who loves reading and wants to add a personal touch to your favorite books, well, this video is just for you. So today we're diving into how you can design unique custom bookmarks using ChatGPT's latest image generation tools. And before that, if you want to find out what these latest image generation tools would do, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you create the most eye-catching bookmarks ever. So let's dive right in. Let's start by designing a fantasy-themed bookmark, for instance, a style that always in demand among readers who love escaping into magical worlds. Think enchanted forests, mythical creatures, or glowing spell books. So we'll ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed image we can use as a full bookmark background. So what is the latest image generation tool? Well, let me show you right here. So as you can see, the usual updated interface from ChatGPT. So let's go right over here to view tools. And there we go, the updated highlight right here. And this is the feature, create image, visualize ideas and concepts. And as you'll know, with this feature just came out like around a week or two, it created like buzz, like it created like surprise from the AI community. And why don't we test this out and see how effective this is, and much better than the previous image generation that ChatGPT had before. All right, so we set up right here, create image, just click this one and we'll paste it right here. Here it is, vertical fantasy themed bookmark illustrations, has a glowing golden path, and this has a feature of a silver fox and distant stars. It has lanterns. We'll have to keep an eye on those features if those were generated well. All right, sending that in right now. Okay, so while ChatGPT works on it, just imagine how this design could work printed on shimmer cardstock or with foil accents. So these types of designs are what reader favorites, that is. Okay, just stick with me on this. This might be generated sooner, not a bit longer. Stay with me. Oh, would you look at that? So far, so good. In a quarter of the rendered image right here, look at the illustrated trees, the lanterns, the starry night sky. It looked actually good here. You can see it's starting to complete about halfway, and look at that. It's getting bit by bit better here, and we might be able to see the glowy road here. I mean, the path. Again, look at the ambiance, and wow, see right here in the bottom? Let me take a click here and see the fox here, the mushrooms and everything. Look at all these details. It's pretty impressive, I must say. This would be a hit at any fantasy book flair or personal reading collection. I could just cut up like this, and that could serve up as my bookmark. Nice. Now let's design something clean and elegant. Minimalist quote bookmarks are perfect for gifts, journaling inserts, or book club tokens. So we'll focus on typography, layout, and subtle elements. That all of those keep the design modern and easy to reproduce. Sorry about that. Okay, let's try this specific prompt. Okay, first off, again, create image. Okay, so here is our prompt right here. Vertical, of course, minimalist bookmark, 2 by 6 inches, featuring the quote, reading is dreaming with open eyes. Okay, use modern serif typography, mate black, centered, upper third of the design. Okay, background, warm cream, light paper texture, thin metallic gold rectangular border. All right, at the bottom, tiny flat icon, stacked book pile, gray, blank label space, and symmetry, balance, white space, all around all elements. All right, so again, here it is. Just click this one. Just type in all the details, just so it could get clear with the rendered image from ChatGPT. And now, sending it in. There we go. So, as you can see, it's getting started. Just it may take a bit while for the image to complete. So, with these designs, those really work especially well when paired with a nice font and a muted color palette. And they're super versatile, I must say. So just wait for a while for the image to complete. As you can see right here, this one is taking a little faster than the previous one because of the minimalistic details. I mean, it focuses on that, the simplicity, as you can see right here. There we go. Look at that. Crisp, clean, very sophisticated, and voila! Look at that. See? You can just cut up like this. See? Done and deal. You can easily personalize the namespace and use this design across different reading themed products too. Look at that. Very simple. Look at the book icon. Look at that. The background. Nice. And so, before we go to the final segment, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Last up, we'll create a seasonal design. Spring bookmarks are popular for gift sets, classroom giveaways, or seasonal subscription boxes. So this one will highlight fresh colors, florals, and peaceful vibes. Again, here we go. Click this one right here, and simple as that. My prompt right here. 2x6 still vertical bookmark design. So background, clear sky blue gradient, inspired by spring, of course. Has soft pink cherry blossom branches, delicate blooming. All right. Place an open book on wooden table. Pink silk ribbon, a few petals. Okay. Then soft breeze effect to make petals appear in motion style, airy modern watercolor inspired. All right, so again, here are all the details. Click this one, and now let's set this off now. Okay. Once again, this might take a while for the image to generate, but not very, very long. Okay, so it just depends on what you would be asking to ChatGPT on what they will be generating for you. So back to seasonal bookmarks. I love using seasonal designs to rotate through the year, perhaps. So they make great collectibles with those designs on bookmarks. So let's leave it like this and wait for a bit while till it started to generate, like rolling down right here. Alrighty, it's starting to happen. And so far, look at that. The watercolor design inspiration here. I can see it. It looks pretty good here. I love it. There's the petal. It's starting to come down bit by bit. It might take a bit while. Just be patient right here. All right, it's starting to come down a little bit more. All right, more flowers, cherry blossoms, I mean. Petals, they're the unblossomed ones. Very, very beautiful, lovely. And see how it felt a bit animated right there. It has like a motion upon seeing this recently, I mean, currently generating rendered image right here. And also there are parts down here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So this came out quite beautifully, I must say. Again, the floating petals, that soft blue sky gradients right here. Feels like spring captured in a bookmark. You could even add like a calendar or event name on the back if you want to use it for promos. See? Look at that. You can just cut up like this or like this. See? Boom. Depends on the options of like what part of this image you would like as your bookmark. And yep, that's it for today's video on designing custom bookmarks with ChatGPT. So whether you're making them for yourself, your friends, or your shop, you now have the tools to create something that truly stands out. Let me know in the comments which style you'll try first. And don't forget to grab the bonus tips in the pinned comment once more. See you in the next one. Bye.